The backdrop here, picturesque, idyllic. No doubt one of the best days of the footballing calendar, and it has added to a really jovial, happy mood in the stands, helping to raise the level of sound by more than a few decibels. Shirt sleeve order, very much the dress code. So what a stage for the players to take to here ahead of such an important game. Things have got underway here pretty promptly. We're talking a genuinely stylish player here in Frank Rijkaard. You're not arguing with that, Jim? Is that a foul? Yes, the referee's given it. Bruno Fernandes hits that long. And here's Cristiano Ronaldo. Ronaldo unable to make it happen for all his good intentions. And it's Rashford. Van Basten. And it's played forward. Oh, good interception. Del Piero. Hoists it forward. Rashford. Van Basten. It's being played forward. Well positioned to make that interception. And here's Van Basten. Going Van Basten! He's pulled off a fine save. Well, that was high-class goalkeeping there to back up his high-class wage. Has gone out. There's some good play on the left-hand side now to profit from it. It's Cristiano Ronaldo! Great build-up. It all deserved a better ending. Cristiano Ronaldo fully deserves the plaudits for setting up the chance. Bruno Fernandes goes looking. Cristiano Ronaldo! And it's Figo. Rijkaard gets it back. A real chance to break. And he's away. It's a very good battle there. Terrific to watch. Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Ball through needs to be good here. Oh, real, it's Figo! Has a pop! And that's it for the first half. A breathless ending. So a fascinating half, full of talking points, not least that last very, very late one. So we reached the halfway point. Portugal really did turn up the tempo at the end of the half, and while they'll be disappointed not to have broken through, obviously the chances will come provided they can keep producing good spells. It's been a half with significantly more positives than negatives, I feel. An intriguing half, lacking only in goals. The score 0-0. So we're just settling back into this second half. Tries a shot! Goal! And some players are just capable of grabbing a game by the scruff of the neck, and his immense talent may just have done exactly that and injected the belief that they can retain their lead this time round. Well, that always looked the likely outcome. Van Basten is the obvious danger man here, and yet he was afforded way too much freedom. I think he was gifted that goal. His reputation should have been warning enough for them. France take the lead. Look, he's the one everyone expects to put the ball in the net. That's what he's paid to do. Tries to stroke it through. Goes for goal! Worth a try. Shame about the outcome. Oh, that's fantastic improvisation he showed there. Adjusted himself very quickly, but it's rare that they come off. Quick pull forward. Messi. Cuts it out. Rashford is onto it and can take it up. Gets away from his opponent. It's on a plate. And he's straight offside. Rashford. And it's Rashford. Rijkaard. And it's got through. He gets past his man. Well, the defence got the better of him this time, but I'm sure he'll go again. It's a loose ball. There's a real appetite from them to finally put this game to bed, but will they? Towering header! Harmlessly behind. Played towards the front men. Ball needed to be better there. It's a wasted chance. This is good ball retention, and it should be enough from here, but they want to double their advantage. With a delicate ball. France can afford to settle on seeing this one out by running down the clock, I think. Oh, terrible mistake. Messi! Good stop. That wasn't easy. Messi simply didn't do anything wrong. He was thwarted by brilliance. Last-ditch defending, but that'll do. And the volley. Disappointing finish in the end. And that will be the final act. Always in the balance.